What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the JBL Endurance Peak I picked up at Best Buy for 99 bucks. Are these the best Powerbeats Pro alternative? Well, we'll have to find out today. We're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions to give you guys an idea if they compare to the Powerbeats Pro or not. So far, from what I can tell, these are the only alternative earbuds, wireless earbuds on the market. There have to be another pair, but for some reason, these are just the most obvious. They're available on Amazon and they're available at Best Buy for 99 bucks. They have 28-hour battery life. Do they come with a charge case? I believe they do. I think that's what that logo stands for right there. They're Bluetooth, obviously. They're truly wireless, they're waterproof, and they come with the charging case. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions real quick and see what they sound like. All right, so not the most elegant unboxing experience ever. Comes in a really nice box, but here, as you can see, we get this massive charging case. So JBL is saying 28 hours battery life. Now, if you remember anything about what the charging case looked like from the JBL Under Armour Flash wireless earbuds that I reviewed 2 days ago, you'll recognize that the charging case is about this size and it came with 25 hours battery life. So pretty decent sized charging case there. Like I said, I wasn't able to find an alternative pair of earbuds to the Powerbeats Pro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what they sound like. This charging case came charged up, which is really nice. So if you want to take these out of the box and use them right away, you should be able to. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get them over our ear. So this is the right side, this is the left-hand side, right over my earlobe, just like so. So these don't twist in because they don't have to. I've never been any good at getting these types of earbuds over my earlobe, but very comfortable. And they don't feel like they're coming out. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off my head. You get that really secure fit with the over the earlobe hook, I'll call it. Let's go ahead and go into Bluetooth here and see if we can connect to the JBL Endurance Peak. And as you can see, if you want to take them right out of the box and connect them, you can. What's nice is you get a really nice tone that lets you know that they are connected. And just like so, if we actually pull down the notification shade, you can see that we've got half a battery. And I will listen to some music for a few minutes and come back to you guys with a report. I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, so the verdict is in, and what's really cool is what I noticed is when you actually put them away, what you have to do is set the earlobe hook. This is called the power hook. You have to lay it down so that you can put it in the charge case, but they're a little bit on the weak side. Definitely not the best sounding earbuds I've listened to recently. I would argue that the AirPods are better than these. I would argue that the JBL Under Armour Flash, which I reviewed 2 days ago, are better than these. The Bose SoundSport Free Wireless earbuds are better. Not the best sounding, but they sound good. They really do, they sound good. They're just a little bit flat, they're a little bit on the weak side. If you listen to them at the highest volume, there's no creaking, no cracking, they're comfortable. When you're listening to them at the low volume, well, you're not gonna find any issues there either. So across the entire volume spectrum, these perform very well. There are not a lot of wireless sport earbuds out there with touch controls. The JBL True Wireless Flash or the JBL Under Armour True Wireless Flash earbuds that I reviewed a couple days ago did not have touch controls. The Samsung Galaxy Buds have touch controls, the AirPods have touch controls, and the Powerbeats Pro, I am sure, have touch controls. It's really hard to find modern features on a pair of inexpensive earbuds, but you do get them with these, and that is really nice. And between what the headphones themselves can hold, and the charge case, you're getting 28 hours of battery life. Charge case is a little bit on the bulky side, but it's actually a very smooth, soft plastic, so it should slide in and out of your pocket easily. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the JBL Endurance Peak by Harman. True wireless earbuds that are meant to compete with the Powerbeats Pro. I do think that they are the best alternative. Not the best sounding alternative, but definitely the best alternative as of 2019, as of this day that I'm making this review, due to the fact that I just simply cannot find another pair of earbuds that come in at half the cost. By the way, the JBL, or excuse me, the Powerbeats Pro are $250. These are 99 bucks. So they fulfill their duty well. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to make sure that you are making an informed decision the next time that you make your purchase. These are probably the best Powerbeats Pro alternative. My name is John. I picked these up at Best Buy for 99 bucks, which makes them a big box good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.